Okay, the last thing that I want to explain you on this lesson yet is about two specific packages. So I mentioned before that when we do this on the contact form, we are just importing the contacts collection and we are inserting this data. But remember, this is the client side. So if we pay attention to this, what we are doing is accessing our database from our client side. This is dangerous. We shouldn't allow that. So why Meteor does that? If we go to the .meteor and take a look at the packages, we will find a package that is called insecure. So we can read the description here that it says allow all DB writes from clients. So, but it's for prototyping. And we can also see another one right here that is saying the same, but let's focus on the insecure right now. So this package is for prototyping. So if you want to do something really quick, a demo or a project where you just want to try something new, this is really cool because it is really easy, right? You access the database directly from the client, but we should remove this from our project. And we could type meteor remove insecure, or we can just remove it from here. So with that, if I save it, we can even take a look at the terminal, detected our change, and remove insecure from our project. So what happens now? Let's go back to the app, and I will try again to take, let me open again that website just to take some random person, and I will try to add another person, another contact right here. So again, tanya.gmail.com. Let me fix this first letter, and I will copy the image address from there and copy it here. So let's see what's going to happen. Save contact. Oh, access denied. Insert failed. So now we are not using the insecure package anymore. We remove it, and now Meteor is not allowing us to access the database from the client. But we can see that the fields were cleaned. This is something that we will improve in the next lesson, because what we have to do is to check if this function runs correctly or not. But this will be in the next lesson. So, okay, our application, unfortunately, is not working anymore because that package is for prototypings. But there's another thing, that is the auto-publish. And we saw that in the Meteor packages. So this one, auto-publish, it says publish all data to the clients. So if you remember the explanation in the first lesson, we mentioned that Meteor uses mini-Mongo on the client side. So if we go to the contact list component, let me open right here. So how we are fetching the data? In the contact list, we are calling the contacts collection.find.fetch. And this is taking the values, is taking the data from the mini-Mongo. But again, is this safe? Because all my data is published to the client. What if I need to check if the user is the owner of this data? What if I need to check if the user have permission to access that data? So this is also good only for prototypings. And we will learn in the next lesson how to do this properly. But for the moment, I will do the same. I will remove the out publish from here. Meteor will detect what I just did and remove the package from our project. And if I go back now to our app, oops, nothing is working anymore. So that's okay. We're going to fix in the next lesson, but it's very important to understand the reason why we have this. If you are prototyping something, this is really cool. If you're creating a real app, it's better to remove as soon as possible those packages from here. And we're going to understand in the next lesson what we need to do to make our app work again. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.